Fiza and welcome back to the second episode of A Day in the Life of a Landscape Designer. I have been working at the gardens for 6 years and my job requires me to plan, design, install and maintain displays in the flower dome. In the previous episode, I shared about how we conceptualize a display, the considerations for choosing plants as well as designing props. With the plants and props ready, the next step is to have them installed in the display. We begin by placing the props according to our design. Once the props are in place, they serve to demarcate where the plants go. We then proceed with the planting work. We try to have all the plants planted in as soon as we can, as it is easier for us to maintain them once they are planted in the ground. In order not to disrupt the visitor's experience, most of the installation works are done only after the dome is closed to the public. Sometimes we only have about 10 days to tear down an existing display and have the new one ready. This means a lot of night shifts for the team to get the display completed on time. The work doesn't end here though. Changing displays usually lasts for 1 or 2 months, and we need to ensure that it looks its best throughout. We continually maintain the plants and where necessary, replace those that are no longer doing so well. Depending on the plant's display, we might also cater for mid to late blooming varieties to be planted so that there are always flowers on display. There is satisfaction when visitors enjoy the display, yet the job is not without its challenges. Sometimes, out of curiosity, people touch the plants, resulting in damages. Other times, we have plants that are susceptible to pests and diseases. But all these issues need to be resolved quickly so that our plants look healthy and well-maintained. Over the years, I have been given the opportunity to work on various changing displays, showcasing different types of plants from all over the world. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about what a landscape designer does at the gardens. I had fun showing you around and telling you more about my job. Join my colleague Hidayah to find out more about what a horticulturist does in the next episode. Take care and see you soon!